Geobyte.
Hello students, welcome to GeoByte. In this video, let us discuss selective and important GK questions with answers for all types of competitive exams. These questions has been asked in competitive exams and there are chances to ask again in competitive exams. So these questions are very important. In this video, I'm going to discuss the GK questions for the subject of computer. And the subtopic is General Introduction, Part 1. Moving to the question number 1. Which part of the computer is used for calculating and comparing? Option A, ALU. Option B, Control Unit. Option C, Disk Unit. Option D, Modem. Option E, none of these. Arithmetic logic unit is responsible for performing calculations and comparisons. So the correct answer is option A, ALU. Next, moving to the question number 2. Which unit controls the movement of signals between CPU and I/O? Option A, ALU. Option B, memory unit. Option C, control unit. Option D, secondary storage. Option E, none of these. Memory unit controls the movement of signals between CPU and I/O. And the correct answer is option B, memory unit. Memory unit controls the movement of signals between central processing unit and input output. Next, moving to the question number 3. The three main parts of the processor are option A, ALU, control unit and registers. Option B, ALU, control unit and RAM. Option C, cache, control unit and registers. Option D, control unit, registers and RAM. Option E, RAM, ROM and CD-ROM. And the correct answer is option A, ALU, control unit and registers. These are the three main parts of the processor. Next, moving to the question number 4. A dash is a electronic device that processes data and converts it into information. Option A, computer. Option B, processor. Option C, case. Option D, styles. Option E, none of these. And the correct answer is option A, computer. A computer is an electronic device that processes data and converts it into information. Next, moving to question number 5. Dash is processed in information by computer processor. Option A, number. Option B, processor. Option C, input. Option D, data. Option E, none of these. And the correct answer is option D, data. Data is processed in information by computer processor. For computer, we are giving the input as data and it is processed by the processor and it will produce information. Next, moving to the question number 6. CPU stands for Option A, cover processing unit. Option B, control processing unit. Option C, central processing unit. Option D, all. Option E, none of these. And the correct answer is option C, central processing unit. Next, moving to the question number 7. What is the function of the central processing unit of a computer? Option A, creates invoices. Option B, performs calculations and processing. Option C, deletes data. Option D, corrupts the data. Option E, none of these. And the correct answer is performs calculations and processing. The main function of the central processing unit of a computer is performs calculations and processing. Next, moving to the question number 8. Dash is the part of the computer that does the arithmetical calculations. Option A, memory. Option B, OS. Option C, CPU. Option D, ALU. Option E, none of these. ALU is the part of the computer that does the arithmetical calculations. So the correct answer is option D, ALU. Arithmetic logic unit is responsible for all arithmetic operations. Next, moving to the question number 9. A CPU contains option A card reader and a printing device. Option B, an analytical engine and a control unit. Option C, a control unit and an arithmetic logic unit. Option D, an arithmetic logic unit and a card reader. Option E, none of these. And the correct answer is option C, a control unit and an arithmetic logic unit. Next, moving to the question number 10. The benefits of using computer is that option A, computers are very fast and can store huge amount of data. Option B, computers provide accurate output even when input is incorrect. Option C, computers are designed to be inflexible. Option D, all of these. Option E, none of these. And the correct answer is option A, computers are very fast and can store huge amounts of data. Moving to the question number 11. The basic computer processing cycle consists of option A, input, processing and output. Option B, systems and application. Option C, data, information and applications. Option D, hardware, software and storage. Option E, none of these. And the correct answer is option A, input, processing and output. Computer takes the input and process the given input and produce output. Next, moving to the question number 12. What is output? Option A, which is taken by user to processor. Option B, which is get to processor by user. Option C, which is get to user from processor. Option D, which is get to processor by user. Option E, none of these. And the correct answer is which is get to user from processor. For computer, user will give certain input and that input is processed by the computer, or we can say that processor, and produce a certain output to the user. So output is which is get to user from processor. Next, moving to the question number 13. Arithmetic operations. Option A involves matching one data item with another to determine if the first item is greater than or equals to or less than the other item. Option B sort data items according to standard, predefined criteria in ascending order or descending order. Option C use conditions with operators such as and, or, and not. Option D include addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Option E none of these. Arithmetic operations are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So the correct answer is option D, include addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Next, moving to the question number 14. The name of the location of a particular piece of data is its option A address, option B memory name, option C storage sites, option D data location, option E none of these. If we are storing any particular piece of data in memory and that particular location is identified or referred as address. If you are storing any data in a computer, that can be uniquely identified by using address. So the name of the location of a particular piece of data is its address. And the correct answer is option A, address. Next, moving to the question number 15. Computations and logical operations are performed by the option A, RAM, option B, ALU, option C, register, option D, control unit, option E, none of these. And the correct answer is ALU, arithmetic logic unit. Computations and logical operations are performed by the arithmetic and logic unit, ALU. Please let me know how many questions you answered correctly. Please do comment. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to GeoByte.
GeoByte.